Hi, welcome to Strings and Threads. I'm Heather. Welcome back to my channel. Today is reveal day for Battle of the Stitches. Did you guess what I made? So I'm going to give you what I made, but first we were making the woven fan stitch this month. And what I decided to make with it was a belt, a hippie type belt. So there's like beads and stuff on the end. You wrap it around your waist and you can tie it in front of you. I have a tutorial on how to make this if you are interested in making it yourself, or you can choose to win that for a prize. I will be putting a voting poll up in my community tab. If I remember, I'll link it in my description. I hope I remember. But you can go there and vote for your favorite project. Make sure you check out the other channels that are participating. I know for sure that Critters Crochet Teresa is participating. I have pre-recorded this, so I apologize. I don't know who else might be joining us this month. I needed to pre-record it because I had a surgery recently and I didn't want to not have a video available. So I decided to do it before the surgery. But the downfall is that I don't know who else is participating with us this month. But make sure you check my description because I will put it in there after I know. And check those channels out and then go to my community tab and vote for the one you like the best. And then make sure you leave a comment. Voting only gives us numbers. Leaving a comment will know who voted. And next week on the live that we do on Teresa's channel, we will choose a winner from all of the people who commented on the voting poll. And you can choose one of the projects as your prize and we'll mail it to you. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you shoot me an email or leave me a comment. And if you want to participate, make sure you reach out to either me or Teresa from Critters Crochet, and also join our Facebook group. I always forget to say that. I want to try to plug that in there at the end, so hopefully you stayed long enough to hear that. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye!